Are you in the market for a new bike toolkits, but not sure where to start? Look no further, because this video offers valuable insights into the best bike toolkits on the market. After extensive research, we compiled a list of recommended products from trusted brands, so you can make an informed choice. To access details about the price and more, refer to my description. Let's proceed with the video promptly. Number 1. Woto 16-in-1 Bike Multi-Tool Kit. As a cyclist, you never know when a minor repair or adjustment might be needed on the road. That's why the Woto 16-in-1 Bike Multi-Tool Kit is the perfect companion for any ride. Made from high-quality chrome vanadium steel, this toolkit is built to last and can withstand high turning force, making it a reliable and long-lasting investment. With its compact size of 3.5, 1.8, 1.1 inches, it's easy to carry and fits perfectly into saddlebags or pockets, making it an essential companion for both road and mountain bike enthusiasts. The kit includes various Allen keys, socket hex wrench, flat wrench, spoke 14G, and screwdriver, providing you with all the necessary tools to handle a wide range of repairs and adjustments. One of the standout features of this bike toolkit is the inclusion of 3 nylon tire pry bars. These bars are ideal for tire repair assistance, and their lightweight and durable construction make them an essential addition to any cyclist's toolkit. Furthermore, the kit includes an extra Allen wrench, which can come in handy for bolt tightening or loosening. Overall, the Woto 16-in-1 Bike Multi-Tool Kit is a well-designed and reliable tool that any cyclist should have in their arsenal. Its compact size, durable construction, and versatile range of tools make it an excellent investment for both beginners and experienced riders alike. Number 2. 23-piece Bike Toolkit with Storage Case. Are you someone who loves riding their bike but struggles with basic maintenance and repairs? Do you want to keep your bike in top condition but don't have the right tools? Introducing the Cyclist's 23-piece Bike Toolkit, the perfect comprehensive set of tools for anyone who wants to perform routine maintenance, repairs, and upgrades on their bike. With specialized tools like a chain rivet extractor, crank puller, and bottom bracket wrench, this kit covers all the essential tools needed for any bike repair. The tools in the kit are made from premium carbon steel and high-quality plastic, ensuring that they are strong and durable enough to withstand heavy use. Plus, the kit comes with a convenient storage case that makes it easy to transport and store the tools when not in use. Whether you're a professional bike mechanic or just someone who wants to take care of their own bike, the Cyclist's 23-piece Bike Toolkit is an excellent investment. Keep your bike in top condition and enjoy riding it for years to come. Number 3. Bicycle Repair Bag and Bicycle Tire Pump Kit. As a cyclist, having the right tools for bike maintenance and repair is crucial. That's why we recommend the Bicycle Repair Bag and Bicycle Tire Pump Kit. This versatile and practical kit includes a high-quality pump and a durable bag, along with all the necessary accessories for repairing and patching bike tires. The Bicycle Repair Bag and Bicycle Tire Pump Kit is designed for a safe and convenient bicycle tire repair experience, no matter where you are. Compared to other similar products, this kit stands out for its superior repair function and high-quality accessory materials. Plus, the kit features a nylon Velcro for easy attachment to the bicycle stand, enhancing user safety and convenience. Overall, the Bicycle Repair Bag and Bicycle Tire Pump Kit is an excellent investment for cyclists of all levels who want a reliable and comprehensive kit for their bike repair needs. Don't let a flat tire hold you back. Get your kit today. Number 4. RSN Sports Bleed Kit for Shimano Hydraulic MTB Brakes. If you are looking to maintain the performance of your Shimano hydraulic 2-piston MTB brakes, the RSN Sports Bleed Kit is a top-quality kit worth considering. This kit includes a range of high-quality components, such as a reusable 20ml syringe, flexible silicone hose, bleed block, gloves, funnel and stopper, and genuine 60ml Shimano mineral oil. Any of the best features of this kit is its compatibility with a range of Shimano hydraulic brakes, including XTR, XT, SLX, and DEER. The flexible silicone hose ensures a secure attachment to the bleed nipple, making the bleeding process more efficient and effective. Over 100,000 riders have successfully used the RSN Sports Bleed Kit to bleed their brakes, making it a reliable and trusted option for any cyclist. Keep your Shimano hydraulic 2-piston MTB brakes in top condition with this top-quality kit. Number 5. Borgen Bike Brake Bleed Kit for Shimano Hydraulic Disc Brakes. Are you tired of struggling with spongy and unresponsive brakes on your Shimano-equipped bike? Look no further than the Borgen Bike Brake Bleed Kit. This kit includes all the necessary components for bleeding Shimano hydraulic brakes, and is compatible with all common Shimano models. The storage box keeps all the parts organized and easy to find. With 100ml of high-quality mineral oil made in Germany, you can perform multiple bleeding processes with ease. And with step-by-step instructions in both English and Spanish, achieving the perfect pressure point at the brake lever has never been simpler. Invest in the Borgen Bike Brake Bleed Kit and ensure the optimal performance of your Shimano hydraulic brakes on every ride. It's all from my end. I make helpful videos every day, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you need more information or want to find out the price of the product, see my description. If there are any problems, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.